Okay, my new electric meter test station. I got sick of hauling around this box and the leads and not being able to read it good when I'm out testing something. Especially when you got to take it out in the field, like to go pop a hood and check a car, battery, what have you. So I made this all in one little stand for it, and it holds my meter with this bracket here snugly. So when you're traveling with it, nothing can fall out, like so. And I got an older meter. I've had this many years. It's all analog, but what's great about that is you can use it without batteries, right? Well, this project would work just fine for a modern meter, digital, what have you. Okay, so I took an old piece of thin plate steel. This is really thin gauge, but it's off of like an old CPU guts module. Put bolts in there for legs, and I bolted everything else through, like you can see. Take everything out. I'll show you what I did here. So I got a piece of bent plate steel, 2 holes drilled for my lead holders. I got my meter box holder, which is thin gauge steel bent at that angle. I mounted a thin plate bracket here, plate bracket here, plate bracket here. I bent them all myself to custom fit. Everything's bolted together, very secure. Makes a perfect little carrier for my whole setup. Get it in there, just like I took it out. Spread these brackets a little bit, snap her into place, stay in. Then my 2 leads go in the holders. Made me a nice little carrier, or I should show you this. I put a little bolt here just so when you tuck these wires, it holds everything on the stand like that. Very handy project. Please keep watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.